Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install a WordPress quickly on fatcow.com on a mapped domain. So first, let's go to our Fatcow account, and when it opens you will click on the control panel and it will take you to the login. So once you log in, it will open up your control panel. And first what you want to do is you want to go to your domain manager. You want to go to Domain Central. And once you get in there, you'll want to map your domain. So you'll open up Domain Center. And what I've already done is set up a domain for this video. So you would click Add Existing. And you're adding a domain that isn't your primary domain. So we're going to map the subdomain, and I'll show you how to do that later on in the video. So for now we're going to choose studentdriver.com, student-driver.com, and we are going to map that. So we will open up our domain mapping, which is right here. And it's under control panel /dpm.html. That's your shortcut. So we want to choose subdirectory, and then I keep all of my subdomains in a folder called domains. So under my primary domain, when I FTP in, all of my map domains are under domains. So we'll go ahead and save that by clicking Change Settings. When it's refreshed, you can see that now the domain is under domains /student-driver, and we open up our FTP, and I'll go ahead and log in. My primary domain is buyoffers.com, so I'll go ahead and log into my Fatcow account, which is under buy offers, if I can find it. I have kind of a few of these, few FTP sites. Okay, so now we're logged into my Fatcow FTP account, and under domains you'll see that student driver is now there, and it's empty, so nothing's there. So now let's go back to Fatcow, and we're going to go ahead and install WordPress from their quick install. Oops. So you click on your username, and that will open up your control panel. Click on WordPress, and that will open up the Mojo Market. Go ahead and click on Explore Mojo Market, and that opens up your WordPress install. Click Install. And then you want to choose the domain that you just activated. Choose the www version of it, because that way you can set up your htaccess later on to point to the domain from non-www. It's just a better way of doing it. So it's loading up the tool. Open up your advanced options and change your site title. In this case, Student Driver. And then choose whatever you want your admin username. It's better not to use your email address, just choose admin or domain name admin or something to that effect. And then I just usually leave the admin password that they recommend. They're usually pretty strong. So now we're installing it. And then it will bring up this. Go ahead and close that. You just want to ignore that basically. Click on View Details, and that will open up the details page on how far it's into the installation. But while we're waiting for this to install, let me go ahead and take you to GoDaddy which is the registrar for this particular domain. So we'll go ahead and open up GoDaddy. And I already set up my name servers, but I want to show you that this is important. You need to point your name servers to the Fatcow name servers in order for this to become a live website. So now I'm logged in, and I want to go to my domains, which would be under my name, and manage my domains. And that opens up my domain list. And then I want to go down to student-driver.com. And open that up. And then you'll see your name servers. And you can see I've already set up the name servers to be ns1.fatcow.com. So you want to click on Manage. If this is the first time you're doing it, then Edit Name Servers. And that will open up the dialog box for you to edit the name servers. So in this case, I'll just cancel since I've already done that. Close it out. And go back to Fatcow and see where we're at. Okay, so it says failed, but it hasn't failed. This is just sort of to give you a minor heart attack. If you open -driver.com, you'll see that WordPress is indeed installed. So you'll want to click on your admin login, and that will bring the admin login to go in and edit your WordPress, which is fully installed, and that's about all there is to it. Now you have WordPress installed on map domains in fatcow.com. I hope this helps you out. Have a good one.